places in Africa, the couscous, they eat it with vegetables and meats.
Yes, yes.
Okay? So there's many ways you can eat it. Just that out there.
People stepped up and really helped us. To see something like that manifest so quickly here at LSU speaks to not only the LSU team winning, but it speaks to the community in the construction industry who really want to win.